How to add your own music in your Facebook story. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your Facebook. Make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now let's add a video or image to our story. Tap on Create a Story. Once you do so, you will see all these recommended songs. To add your own song in your Facebook story, tap on Music icon as a third option. And here, search for any music that you would like. If you are an artist and if your song is on YouTube, make sure you also upload your song in Facebook and Instagram. By doing so, you can upload your song in Facebook and Instagram with your story. Also know that if your song is not available on Facebook, it won't show here. Once you find it, just tap onto the play icon and it will be added just here with your story. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then do comment down below and subscribe to our channel.